Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. So we meet again to proceed our lesson of chapter 1, which is Molecules of Life. Okay, so today we are going to learn about subtopic 1.2, which is carbohydrate. Okay, so firstly, awak mesti kena tahu dulu apa tu carbohydrate. So carbohydrate is an organic compound that composed of carbon, hydrogen and also oxygen atom. Okay, so where you can find the carbohydrate? So actually carbohydrate ni kita boleh jumpa dalam kita punya daily food. Contohnya macam dalam nasi, roti, pasta dan sebagainya. Okay, so as an introduction, firstly you have to know carbohydrate can be divided into 3 classes, which are the first one we call as monosaccharide, second disaccharide, and the other one polysaccharide. So what is monosaccharide? Mono means single, so means that monosaccharide is simple sugar. So example of monosaccharide is glucose. Okay, and then next is disaccharide. So di means double, so means that disaccharide is a double sugar. So the example of disaccharide is maltose. Okay, and then the other one is polysaccharide. So poly means many. So polysaccharide is a complex sugar. So how we can form the polysaccharide? Actually by the process of condensation of many monosaccharide. So actually in this video I just want to focus about how maltose can be formed. So how maltose can be formed actually by the process of condensation between 2 alpha glucose. So to find out more, so let's check it out. Okay, so before we proceed to the formation of maltose, let me show you the structure of glucose first. So how to draw the structure of glucose? Okay, firstly you have to draw the ring structure like this. Okay, and then kalau awak tengok based on this ring structure, dia akan ada bucu. Okay, so apa yang awak kena buat adalah buat satu straight line. Alright, so this one actually it will represent the number of carbon. Okay, so starting from here, okay, selepas daripada O di sini, so this one will represent carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, and also last is carbon number 6. Okay, why 6 carbon? Because glucose is a molecule that consists of 6 carbon. Okay, and then next step, kalau awak tengok di sini, actually setiap carbon it will attach to hydrogen and also OH. So OH mean hydroxyl group. Okay, so just lukiskan saja HOH. So macam mana kita nak ingat kedudukan H dan juga OH? Awak cuma perlu ingat hanya pada carbon number 3 saja OH berada di atas. Okay, so yang lain maksudnya semua OH berada di bawah. Okay, so means that kalau di bawahnya dah OH, atasnya mesti adalah H. Right. And then for carbon number 4 here, okay, make sure the bond here must attach to oxygen, must attach to O. Okay, so it will be HO. Okay, and then jangan lupa di sini, di bawah carbon number 5, so this is hydrogen. Okay, actually the structure of glucose, we can differentiate it, either it is alpha glucose or beta glucose. So how to differentiate? Okay, kita lukis satu lagi structure of glucose. So the basic structure actually it is same. Right. Okay, so awak copy sahaja. Alright. So the difference between the structure of alpha glucose and also beta glucose, actually we look at carbon 1. Okay, so this structure, if you look at OH, OH is located below carbon number 1. So if OH is located below carbon number 1 like this, so this structure we call as alpha glucose. Okay, and then for beta glucose, OH must be located, okay, above carbon number 1. So it will become like this. So the difference is only at carbon number 1. So you have to look at the position of OH. Okay, so I repeat, For alpha glucose, OH must be located below carbon number 1. But for beta glucose, OH must be located above carbon number 1. Okay, so you have to take note between both of this structure. Okay, but the formation of maltose, it will involve the condensation process between 2 alpha glucose. So means that you have to know how to draw the structure of alpha glucose. Okay, and then awak mesti kena tunjukkan proses condensation, barulah akan terbentuknya maltose. So actually what is condensation? Condensation means process of removal of water molecule.